Do you know the various codes for the room rates that we use in the hotel?
I have heard team members at the reception say terms like CP, EP plan. But I'm not sure. No one has explained it to me so far.
Okay, then I will teach that to you today. In order to streamline communication all over the world, the hotels use some common terms when it comes to rate. You have heard people say EP, CP and other terms, right?
Yes. At first, I did not understand the code language. Then I got to know that these stand for the various room rates.
I will tell you. There are mainly 4 room rate types. These depend on the meal plan attached with it. EP stands for European plan. It is a room-only rate. That means if someone is booked on the EP, they will only get the room only. If they want to order food, it is all charged separately.
Okay, that is why many times, I see that this is the cheapest rate type.
Wonderful, I am happy that you are observing what is happening at the front desk. CP stands for Continental Plan. This rate includes room and breakfast. So if someone books this rate, their breakfast is complimentary. The third type is the AP or the American Plan. It is also called the full board plan.
Let me guess, it will have all meals?
Yes, an American plan will have all the meals included in the rate. It is usually used when we have groups in the hotel. We rarely use it for individual traveler. The final rate plan is the MAP or the Modified American Plan. This is also called the half-board plan. In this plan, the guest is entitled to breakfast, and 1 meal. We will give them either lunch or dinner.
I learned something new today. If you subscribe to the channel, and follow me on this learning journey, we can keep learning something new daily.
And in case you wish to learn about more topics or department and get a certificate, visit clarifiedbetter.com, and look at our courses for people in the hotel industry.